Hello, classmates. Today I wanted to go over an article I found on Twitter, and it was posted by Rocketship Public Schools. The title is "My Science Teacher told me I wasn't going to college." Uh, I recent I currently work at Waianae High School, where a lot of my students do not believe they are going to amount to much after high school. But I feel with this article, it really connected with me because I believe in all of my students, and I think this girl that wrote this post sounds like a lot of my students, and I would never want any of them to feel the way she did. She basically grew up in San Jose. She didn't really put too much thought into school. She states that neither middle school or high school motivated her to think of higher education. She was just there to kind of get through the motions, and she just didn't really have anyone to be there for her. And I guess during her first freshman year, her science teacher told her why did she want to go on a college field trip because she wasn't ever going to go to college. And I feel like a lot of my students have people in their lives in school and out of school who are telling them things such as they're not going to amount to much after high school. They're just going to live in Waianae and they're not going to get very far. And even though her teacher had discouraged her from thinking that she could amount to anything after that, it made her mad, and it made her want to react in a way that a lot of my students react. They just want to get out and get it over with. But she attended Hale Business College, and she got her bachelor's, and she was able to give back. And her way of giving back was she believed that schools needed leaders who believed in their students, who supported them, and believed that they could reach their full potential. And she really wants people to know that even if us adults, teachers, parents are telling our kids and our students that they're going to amount to nothing, and even if they're playing or joking, that it really does resonate with them and can give them less courage in themselves to want to get out and, pursue the dreams that they have. And she believes that we make or break students, their experiences in school. And we need to be better with our words, and we need to just motivate them and believe that each and every one of them can attend higher education. So we need to watch our words, watch how we deliver our information to our students, and make sure that we support their goals and allow them to really believe that they can achieve everything and anything. It's kind of it. It was a really good article. If anyone could take their time to read it, I think that we could learn a lot from her and her experience with her science teacher. Thank you.